Hello guys, my name is Aditya Seth and I am a React.js developer in SourceBay. So today we are going to solve a problem related to arrays where we have to find the largest number in a given array. So as you can see, this is our array and we have to find the largest number. To solve this, first we will require an variable to store the largest number. And we are going to initialize it with 0. After that, we are going to run a loop over every element of this array, and we are going to compare the largest number with the given index. If the given index is larger than the largest number, we are going to store that number into that array. This for loop is going to be running over the length of array, the given array, and our condition is that if current index, which will be ARRI, greater than largest number, then the largest number becomes that value. After the loop has been finished, we are going to console log our number. As you can see, 96 is the output in the console, and if you look at our array, you can see 96 is the largest number. So here is our answer, and thank you all.